How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some chilling video clips that really do need explaining. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more creepy content just like this.
This chilling footage was captured by a family who were experiencing paranormal activity in their home. As the father begins filming the lounge room and kitchen, a cabinet door suddenly swings open. Then, a short time later, the daughter is filming herself singing in her bedroom and manages to capture something truly terrifying. As her head moves to the side, you can see what appears to be a tall, sinister figure standing in the corner of her room. It looks as though it's wearing a dark robe and has long black hair. The girl doesn't seem to be aware of the eerie presence as she continues to sing for the camera. What do you think is standing behind her? Could it actually be the poltergeist responsible for the paranormal activity that the family's been experiencing? Love to get your thoughts on this eerie piece of footage in the comments section below. This spooky video was uploaded to DJ Ashba's YouTube channel in August 2015. He claims that he came home to find one of his courtyard doors wide open, despite locking it before he left. Naturally, he decided to check the security cameras to see what had happened. As you can see, the door appears to open all by itself. While it's possible that the footage might have been faked, DJ Ashba later commented on the video, saying that there was no one in the house at the time of the incident. The fact too that there's a strange flash of light seconds before the door swings open has led many to suggest that the clip might actually be genuine evidence of a resident poltergeist. Sadly, without further information, it's difficult to know whether or not this clip really does show paranormal activity. However, one thing is for certain, this YouTuber will never leave his house again without double checking that all the doors really are locked. This clip from realghostvideos.net shows two young girls exploring a creepy old house. As they enter one of the rooms, both girls can be heard remarking how cold it feels inside. With only their flashlights to guide them, they begin to look around. As they search through the clutter, they discover what appears to be an old closet. One of the girls dares the other to open the door and take a look inside. Hesitantly, she decides to take a peek. There's a sudden flash of light and the two girls run screaming from the room. Shortly after, the video abruptly ends. If you slow the footage down just as she opens the door, you can actually see what scares them. A ghostly face with dark sunken eyes that almost looks as though it's shouting at the girls to leave. As little is known about this video, it's hard to know for sure what the girls actually saw. Could it have been the spirit of a former resident, or was it something else entirely? Whatever it was, it certainly didn't look friendly. This creepy clip was uploaded to Ghost World TV, Ghost and Paranormal Videos YouTube channel in March 2014. However, the date on the video suggests that it was actually filmed on the 25th of the 6th, 2005. It shows a well alongside a stone wall and at first doesn't seem to contain anything out of the ordinary. However, if you take a closer look, you can actually see a dark shadow-like figure that appears to leap into the well. While some viewers jokingly suggested it could be the ghost of popular video game characters Mario or his brother Luigi, others thought that the figure might have been the ghost of someone who had died by falling into the well. However, several skeptics noted that it seemed too coincidental that the camera was filming the area at the exact time the figure was spotted, suggesting that the video was likely staged. What do you think? Could this video actually show the ghost of someone that met their doom at the bottom of this well, or is it simply the result of a clever video edit? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. This chilling footage was uploaded to Von Kostler's YouTube channel in January 2012. According to the video's description, Mary and Philip Shapiro managed to capture these events on camera after they were instructed by parapsychologist Dr. Idla von Kostler to document any paranormal activity that they experienced in their home. The clip, which was filmed in the Shapiro's kitchen, shows a large saucepan suddenly lift out of the sink. It hovers in place for a second before suddenly dropping out of the air. Many of the viewers have suggested that footage could be genuine, as there doesn't appear to be any strings or wires lifting the pot. While many believe that the video does show paranormal activity, some have pointed out that there's very little information available on Dr. Idla von Kostler himself. The YouTube channel also contains a link to a supernatural video series on Amazon named The Poltergeist Diaries. This poses the important question: who is the mysterious Dr. von Kostler? Is he really a parapsychologist tasked with documenting genuine poltergeist activity, or was the channel simply created as a marketing opportunity to promote the series? Unfortunately, until more information becomes available, this chilling footage will remain a mystery. There's very little information available on this video. However, it appears that it could have been taken from a warehouse security camera. The clip begins as a man is seen carrying a ladder past the camera. He returns a short time later with a trolley and opens the sliding doors to the warehouse. He enters and soon emerges with something on top of the trolley. The man then attempts to close the warehouse doors. However, he's unable to shut them completely. After several more unsuccessful attempts, the man decides to leave the doors ajar and pulls his trolley away. Suddenly, a passing car's headlights shine across the warehouse doors, revealing for a split second that there's actually something stuck between them. At first, it appears to be a lifeless human, stooped over and wedged in place. However, if you slow the footage down, you can see that the figure is actually transparent and is only visible in the car's headlights. What do you think the mysterious figure could be? Is it the ghost of someone who was crushed between the heavy warehouse doors, or is there another explanation for this creepy video? This bizarre video was uploaded to S. Koss's YouTube channel in December 2014. It appears to be an excerpt taken from a security camera captured in an unknown location. At first, several orb-like objects go speeding by the camera. And while these could easily be dismissed as insects, it's what the camera captures next that is truly strange. Several white figures begin running along the outside of the fence. Then suddenly, a few of the figures leap over the fence and land motionless on the ground. Some viewers have suggested that the strange shapes are actually deer. However, the way they land after jumping the fence seems to rule this theory out. They appear still and lifeless, almost as if they've deflated. Just when you think that the video couldn't get any weirder, a long trail of light appears at the top of the screen. This is truly one of the more bizarre videos we've ever seen. Could it be possible that the mysterious white figures are ghosts or some other type of supernatural entities? If anyone can shed any light on this video, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments section below. Before we get to that #1 spot and take a look at some terrifying poltergeist activity filmed in a restaurant, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on channel notifications. That way you'll be in the loop about all our latest content. In October 2013, this video was uploaded to Jimmy's World Grill and Bar's YouTube channel. When a customer of their Luton restaurant told management that they saw another patron's plate fly off the table, they decided to check their CCTV footage to see what had happened. Surely enough, the footage does indeed appear to show paranormal activity. Soon after the customer sitting in the center bottom of the screen leaves her table, several strange events begin to occur. Firstly, the chair and menu on the table start to move. Then suddenly a napkin flies off the table, shortly followed by a plate. Many believe this footage is authentic, noting that there doesn't seem to be any visible wires or strings attached to the items that moved. That, coupled with the fact that a customer is seen leaving the table just prior to the events, tends to indicate that it could indeed be the actions of a real poltergeist. However, some viewers have suggested that the whole event could have been staged as part of a publicity stunt, designed to lure more customers into the supposedly haunted bar. Sadly, without further evidence, we'll just have to leave this one up to you to decide.
If you want more scary videos just like these ones, then check out these 2 links right there. Leave us a comment down below or hit that thumbs up button because it lets us know you're enjoying the content. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time.